Hey, so this is Chris Matthew from Octoblu. We submitted 4 projects at the CES Hackathon, and here's one of them. We've got a couple of parts disabled because there was a lot of moving pieces, and this is the day after. We're back in Phoenix. But ours was Uber for EMTs, and the idea is basically someone could be wearing a wearable sensor that detects, that has accelerometer data streaming into Octoblu, and Octoblu would then detect a fall. For the demo, we chose Sensoria Fitness socks that maybe nursing homes or elderly care facilities could put on their patients. But we also experimented with the Plantronics earpiece that had fall detection as well. So if you've got the earpiece on, you fall, that would trigger an alert through Octoblu. And Octoblu would find the nearest emergency medical technician using CouchDB, using its Radius feature, and dispatch an EMT to the patient with an ESRI map, which was also part of the competition with instructions and directions on how to get to the patient. And then, of course, this could be used for military or public safety or wherever you need to dispatch people. So here's what the flow looks like. I don't have the sock with me, but normally the sock would be streaming wearable data of all of its accelerometer data as long as you're wearing it. And then that would be evaluating the accelerometer data, and if you would fall or not. If you fall, it would move through this process where it would call you. Using speech recognition, you would have to answer a question, are you okay? If you're not okay, it goes about, you go about your business. If you're not okay or you don't answer, then it triggers this webhook here at the top that does the CouchDB Radius lookup for the closest EMT, and then send a text message ultimately to the EMT with instructions on where to find you. So we could, for demo purposes, just press this trigger, or better yet, with using the Blue application, we could, see how it says help there on the trigger? We could just hit the help button here on Blue. See the pulse? That triggered the flow. I should have an incoming call momentarily asking me if I'm okay. I'll say yes first. Just show you how that works, then we'll say no.
Oh, this is UberEMT. Are you okay?
Yes.
Thanks. Your safety is our first priority.
Okay, so I hung up. Let me go about my day. And if we say help again, help, I've fallen, I can't get up.
Dude, this is pretty.
It should ring again. There we go. Here's another incoming call.
Hello, this is UberEMT. Are you okay?
No.
Help is on the way.
So watch, there's a webhook pulse, did the lookup, and now I should be getting a text message momentarily. I think I already got it. Yep, I already got it. So it says help requested. There's the link. And just so you can see better what the link looks like, it's using the ESRI mapping system, puts a marker on the patient, and we could have given them the patient's phone number, etc. But we did this app in 2 days. And we also won the best use of the Sensoria wearable sensors category, which were those socks for the patient in a facility falling. All right, we'll get some of the other presentations on shortly.